Daddy,
and
Kittens.
I have idea. Let's go. Look there. Oh, what is it?
It's rabbit.
It's rabbit. Yes, it's rabbit. Very good. Do you know what is it?
It's bird. It's fish. Turtle.
Turtle. Look, the big turtle. Your favorite color? What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes, yellow color. Yellow fish. And this animal, you know what is it?
It's the lizard. Hedgehog.
Yes, hedgehog. Do you know the name?
It's cat, Daddy. It's dog.
Yes, it is.
My hamster.
So this is
My pet.
their new house. Yes, so you have to look after. Yes. Okay.
Give him food and water.
Yes, very good. Food and water. Yeah, and you want to be bird too.
Sponsored by IQ English.